Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The Southern Lapwing, Vanellus Chilensis, is a remarkable bird native to South America, celebrated for both its striking appearance and bold behavior. It is a member of the Chiradriidae family, which includes plovers and other waders, but it stands out due to its unique adaptations, wide habitat range, and aggressive personality. The bird is especially prominent in countries such as Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, and Chile, and has even expanded its range into southern Central America, thanks to its adaptability. The Southern Lapwing is a medium-sized shorebird, yet it is easily recognizable due to its sharp features and beautiful plumage. It measures about 32 to 38 centimeters, 12.5 to 15 inches, in length and weighs between 250 to 300 grams, 425 grams, 9 to 15 ounces. It has long pinkish legs, which are ideal for walking across open terrain. Its body is covered with soft grayish feathers, while the wings display a brilliant iridescent green or bronze sheen when hit by sunlight. One of its most distinctive features is its black facial mask, a dark line that extends from the beak to the neck, contrasting with a white forehead and cheeks. The chest has a bold black bib, while the belly is usually white. Both male and female look similar, though males are slightly larger. Perhaps the most fascinating physical trait is the red, sharp wing spur located at the carpal joint of each wing. These spurs are used during combat, especially when defending nests or chicks from predators. Unlike many shorebirds that rely strictly on wetlands or coastlines, the Southern Lapwing is highly habitat flexible. It thrives in open environments. This includes natural grasslands, savannas, marshes, riverbanks, farmlands, and even urban parks and soccer fields. As long as the area is relatively flat and visibility is clear, these birds can adapt. They prefer places where they can easily spot predators from a distance, which is why they avoid dense forests or thick underbrush. One of the reasons they've been so successful across such a wide range is their ability to live near human activity. Unlike many sensitive bird species, Southern Lapwings have actually benefited from some forms of human land use, particularly agriculture, where short grass and irrigation ditches resemble their preferred natural habitats. Southern Lapwings are primarily insectivores, and they use their excellent eyesight to hunt during the day. Their diet includes a wide variety of invertebrates, such as beetles, ants, spiders, grasshoppers, caterpillars, flies, and earthworms. They forage by walking or running across open ground, stopping frequently to jab their sharp beak into the soil or surface to catch prey. Occasionally, they may consume small seeds or other plant materials, but animal matter forms the majority of their diet. Their presence in fields and farmlands often helps control insect pest populations, making them ecologically beneficial to farmers. Few birds are as bold and confrontational as the Southern Lapwing. It is a very territorial species, especially during the breeding season, and is known for its loud, screeching alarm calls. Their vocalizations are usually sharp, repeated creer or Teru Teru sounds, which are not only used to warn off predators, but also to communicate with mates and young. In fact, one of their nicknames in local languages is Teru Teru, based on this very call. When threatened, these birds will not hesitate to launch aerial attacks, often flying directly at intruders and using their wing spurs to intimidate or injure. They even fake injuries, such as pretending to have a broken wing, to lure predators away from their nests. Their constant vigilance and aggressive behavior make them excellent defenders of their nesting grounds. The Southern Lapwing's breeding season typically occurs during the Southern Hemisphere's spring and summer, from around September to January. They are ground nesters, meaning they create simple, shallow scrapes in the earth, often in open grassland or bare soil. Nests are minimally lined with pebbles, grass, or feathers, relying on camouflage to protect the eggs. Each breeding pair typically lays 2 to 4 speckled eggs, which blend perfectly into their surroundings. Both parents share incubation duties, which last around 26 to 30 days. Once hatched, the chicks are precocial. They are born with open eyes, down feathers, and are able to walk within hours. However, they remain vulnerable and depend heavily on parental protection. The parents will aggressively guard them until they can fly, usually after about 5 to 6 weeks. In the wild, southern lapwings can live around 8 to 10 years, although their actual lifespan depends on factors like predation, food availability, and habitat conditions. In protected environments, such as sanctuaries or zoos, they might live even longer. Though detailed studies on their maximum lifespan are limited, southern lapwings play an important ecological role in their native environments. As insect predators, they help maintain balance in the ecosystem by controlling pest populations. They also serve as prey for larger birds of prey, snakes, and mammals, thus contributing to the food web. Additionally, their aggressive behavior influences the nesting locations of other birds, which may avoid placing their nests near lapwings due to constant disturbances. Their vigilance can even indirectly protect other, more vulnerable bird species by alerting them to danger. The southern lapwing is the national bird of Uruguay, symbolizing bravery and alertness. They are among the very few wader species to be expanding their range, partly due to their adaptability to urban and modified landscapes. Their chicks, although born on the ground, can walk and even swim within hours of hatching, showing an incredible level of independence. During the World Cup and other large sporting events in South America, these birds have been spotted nesting on soccer fields, causing interruptions to matches. Unlike many birds that hide when humans approach, southern lapwings will stand their ground and confront intruders, earning them a reputation as fearless guardians.